Now, the next step you need to do is you need to look at your geometry and make a determination if you need to add any additional geometry. You may need to draw some lines, circles. In two-axis machining, typically you're going to be adding, two-dimensional geometry. If it's a three-axis part, you may need to add some additional surfaces to help guide the tool. In this case, I'm going to add some wireframe geometry. That will help facilitate the programming of this part. So I'm going to draw some lines. You see I got a step down right here to machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some lines, and I'm going to change my object snap to N, and I'm just going to draw some lines from here over to here. Okay, and I'm going to do that on this side and also on this side. And again, this will just help us program the part. Okay, so we got those lines. Let's go ahead. We'll just leave them there for now, and we'll take care of them when we get to it. Additional geometry. You notice that we have some pockets that are kind of interrupted here. We probably want to put a circle at the base of this pocket. Let's go ahead and draw a circle. And we'll set the center object snap, and we'll just put it right here. So we got a circle there, and also we have some pockets that we probably should draw a circle in here as well. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, got that one. Let's go over here and do that same thing over here. Okay, good. So that'll help us when we go to program these areas that are interrupted. Just one second. Now let's see if we need any more geometry. Okay, that looks pretty good. We may want to have a perimeter diameter. We can throw that in. I'm not sure if we'll use it or not, but let's go ahead and put a circle in. We're going to do it from the center out. Okay, so we got that circle in there. You can see that. Okay,